This QR code keychain can come in handy if you're out and about and you'd like to give your contact information or share your website link to somebody. This video is going to go over three things: how to generate the QR code, how to put that QR code on the keychain, and also how to get two colors without an AMS system. The same process I will be using to describe how to make this QR code keychain could be used to put anything else on the keychain. You could put your name, a business logo, or any type of image that you'd like on the keychain. Please write in the comments below anything else you would like to put on a keychain to personalize it. Hi, I'm Lisa from 3D Printer Project Ideas. This video is for beginners to get you going on customizing your own projects. If you like this project and would like to hear more, please like and subscribe to my channel. This video is going to cover three main points. One is to make the QR code for the keychain. Second, how to make the keychain, and then how to get a two-color print. Let's start with talking about how to make this QR code. We're going to use Canva to make a QR code. I've pulled up Canva, and on the top right, it says create a design. I'm going to use the Instagram post because it's a square and that's the shape I want to make my QR code in. We're going to go to the left of the screen and we're going to look on the bottom and it says apps. We'll scroll down to the bottom and there's a QR code generator app. Next, we're going to enter the URL for the website we want to make a QR code to. Click generate code. It's as easy as that. It's generated the QR code for us. We're going to want to share this code so that we can put it on our keychain. In the top right, we're going to just click that share button and we're going to download it. It's going to download as a PNG file. Then we're going to have to convert the PNG file to an SVG file. I have a different video on how to use Inkscape, which is an open source program, on how to do that. Now that we've made the QR code, it's time to put the QR code on the keychain. I'm going to use a tool called Make My Sign from MakerWorld. I put a link to the tool below. MakerWorld is a great site for free STL files, and you can get a lot of inspiration for project ideas from this as well. We are going to make this QR code keychain. Here is the Make My Sign tool. I'm going to resize this to the size of the keychain I'd like to make, and I'd like it to be about 50 by 50 millimeters. I'm going to keep this boundary around it because on the keychain, I think it adds a nice touch, but we can remove the boundary if we wanted to. Next, I'm going to import my SVG file. You could see that the QR code imported a little below it. So what I'm going to do is just resize it to fit in my 50 by 50 and put it where I want it to be. I clicked on the base and changed the dimensions a little bit, so I'll fix that. I'm just going to add a little white space between the QR code and the boundary. Once I have it looking the way I want to, I am going to add the part to make a keychain on it. The way I'm going to do that is by clicking this hole button. There's a couple options that pop up for the hole. I'm going to use the middle one, which says boundary. I want it on the side, so I'll click the top left option and simply add the hole in that manner. The next button I'm going to push is called the thickness button. I want the base plate that's white to be 1.5 millimeters, and I added an SVG file, so I'm going to change the thickness of the SVG file to 0.8 millimeters. We can view the model in 3 dimensions to make sure it's what we want it to look like. Now I'm going to download the STL file. The next step is to bring the STL file into the slicer program so that we can 3D print the keychain. I'm going to use Bamboo Studio as my slicer program. The link to get Bamboo Studio is below. Now let's import the STL file we just made. In the top left, we'll click File, then Import, and then we'll find that on our computer. You can see that the STL file is only one color, but we want the base to be white, and we want the QR code to be black. This video is about how to have two colors without an AMS system. What we're going to do is we're going to add a pause when we print the STL file. At the pause, we're going to change the colors. The bottom of the keychain, that is all white. The top of the keychain, that's going to be all black. We can get the two colors in that manner. We're going to click on this object. We're going to slice it by clicking that button in the top right. Then what we're going to do is we are going to look at this slider on the right, and you can see that when we click down, you can see how the model is going to build up. So initially it's going to be all white where that purple is showing up. Then you can see the beginnings of the QR code starting to put on it at layer 8. Then if you continue going up, that's the black part. I've already added the pause. The way we add the pause is we just right click and then click the option to add the pause. When we print the plate, it's going to stop at layer 8. We'll unload the white filament, reload the black filament, and we'll get the keychain. I hope you liked this project. I'm Lisa Schaefer from 3D Printer Project Ideas, and please tune in for more videos. Bye for now.